In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture on Lucidchart. So in order to do that, first head over to lucidchart.com and you should be able to see in here this. You can either sign up for free using your email or use Google, Microsoft, or Slack in order to do this. Now, if you already have an account, just head over and click onto the sign up free already. And then you can see in here this login option. So head over and click on it and input right here your email or username that you use. Click on next and log in with password. So I already have my account and this is actually the flowchart that I have. You can just open in here a document that you have by going to documents and then accessing those documents right here. Now this is what it looks like with open. Now, if I want to insert right here a picture, what I can do is I can utilize this left sidebar that you can see right here. So this is the images or picture icon. Head over and click on this. Now in here you can see your streamline, icons, as well as GIFs right here. So on my case, I'll head over and use in here some options that I have. So in here you can streamline as well. You can also input GIFs. But on my case, let's head over and click onto this import image under the icon option. Click on image, or you can also use OneDrive or GIF in order to upload. I'll head over and upload this one and click on open. Then as you can see right here, it's now inserted. You can just do your thing, resize it, and then move it around wherever you want to put it right here into your actual diagram. So here it is right there. And as you can see, it's already been inserted. You can now save your progress and share it with people that you want to see this particular design that you have created. So that's how you insert a picture on Lucidchart. I hope this video helped you out.